Estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest thousand and then adding 9,297 plus 3,639 plus 2,927. So let's take each number and round it to the nearest thousand. So let's take this 9,297 first. Look at the place value right to left. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now, in order to round to the nearest thousand, you circle your thousands number and look to the number directly to the right of it. If this number is 5 or above, give it a shove. If it's 4 or below, let it go. 2 is 4 or below, so we're going to leave that 9 go. Now, all of these numbers turn into zeros. So this is 9,000. So 9,297 rounded to the nearest thousand is just 9,000. Let's do the same exact thing with 3,639. Here's the ones place, here's the tens place, here's the hundreds place, and let's circle our thousands place. Now we look to the number directly to the right of it, which is 6. 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or below, let it go. 6 is 5 and above, so we're going to give this 3 a shove to 4,000. So 3,639 becomes 4,000. Now let's take a look at this 2,927. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Let's circle the 2. Look at the number to the right of it. 5 or above, give it a shove. Well, 9 is above a 5, so let's shove this 2 to 3 and turn all of these numbers to zeros. Now we're going to add 9,000 plus 4,000 plus 3,000. So let's go over here and write that out. Remember, when you're adding numbers, you have to line up the place values. So 9,000 is going to line up with 4,000, which is going to line up with 3,000. And all of these zeros here do a whole lot of nothing. So zeros become zeros, and zeros become zeros, and zeros become zeros. Now we're going to add these three numbers. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. So all of these numbers added together, and its estimate is going to be 16,000.